Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep Wrangler speakers. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative terminal of your Jeep's battery before starting any work. Next, prepare your new speakers. Ensure they are the correct size, typically 6½ inches for many Wrangler models, to guarantee a perfect fit and optimal sound. This preparation ensures a smooth installation process. Now let's remove the old speakers. Begin by carefully prying off the speaker grill. Use your trim removal tool to avoid damaging the surrounding trim. Once the grill is off, you will see the speaker secured by several mounting screws, usually 3 or 4. Unscrew these, then gently disconnect the wiring harness from the back of the speaker. Finally, carefully lift the old speaker out of its housing, being mindful of any tight spaces. With the old speakers out, it's time for the new ones. First, connect the new speaker's wiring harness to your Jeep's existing connector. Many aftermarket speakers come with adapter harnesses, making this step straightforward. Next, carefully place the new speaker into its housing and secure it with the mounting screws. Ensure it sits flush and is properly seated. Repeat this process for all speakers you are replacing, ensuring each connection is firm and secure. You're almost done. Carefully reattach the speaker grills, ensuring they snap firmly into place. Once all grills are secure, reconnect the negative terminal of your Jeep's battery. Now for the exciting part, turn on your Jeep's audio system and test the sound quality. Play your favorite music to ensure everything is working perfectly. You should immediately notice a significant improvement in clarity and bass. Enjoy your enhanced audio experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.